We stand here today for the umpteenth time to discuss another extension in a state of emergency. Senator Dunn, where we ask a reasonable question, that if a general manager was to ask for resources so as to achieve set objectives, would you give that general manager those resources? A reasonable person who have studied business or in business or is aware of business would say, yes, you'll give that person that resources. I therefore ask Senator Webby, if you give said general manager those resources year one and have not received the returns, year two and have not received the returns, year three and have not received the returns, if you still keep him year four, would you still be giving those resources when you have not received those returns? However, I stand corrected and educated by a businessman of great esteem. And he says, if you have a 5-year objective, you shouldn't fire the man in year one. That was not done. 2018 came for the first time. It was granted every single time. 2019, multiple states of emergency and was granted on multiple occasions. 2020 still had states of emergency, but in every year of that 5 year, an astute business person will look at the trends to see if we're moving in the direction that is likely to achieve the goals that were set in the 5 years. I must put it to you that the trends that we look at suggest that we are not moving in the direction to achieve those objectives. Are you saying we need a state of emergency until the numbers of murders is 1,000? Then we say, okay, then you need it to reach 1,000. That's the parameters. Are you saying we need a state of emergency for 2 years? Then we say, okay, then you need a state of emergency and in 2 years. You are simply saying every single 3 months that I need more, I need more, I need more. No business would allow for their general manager to act in that way at all.
Jamaican people want better.